म्हजो आतां ई ऑक्शन 10 मिलियन टन्स आशिल्लें ताजे भायर जें पळय कितें फाटले आतां
16
हय सो फाटले आतां 10 हांव एटलिस्ट 2 वर्सां लुटालो इन्क्लुडींग इन द कोवीड टायम्स ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू आहा सो कितलो ताणें यू हॅव एनी
It has reached 18 million tons.
ओके
Auction has reached from 16, which was permitted, it has now reached 18 million tons. That
Okay.
means at least another 2 million tons and it's चोरून येला.
चोरून गेला सो दीस हॅज बीन प्रूव्ड काय म्हाका
No, we have got the figures. आमचे सगळे figures आमच्या ऑफिसात असतात.
न्ही पूण हांव तशें म्हणना आतां 2 वर्सां जालीं ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू आहा
सोपोंक जालें न्हू
2 वर्स हे इफ इट इज 18 मिलियन टन्स 2 म्हयन्यान चोपपा जाय आशिल्लें सो हाजो चड चोरलां काय म्हणून
आनीक चोरून आसतलें ना now this order will stop it.
ओके
Because otherwise they were planning to take more dumps
Yes.
and show that it is e-auction door.
So-
and dumps are not dumps, they are ore.
Yes.
But they are being called dumps so
Exactly.
that they can take them out.
सो
And
म्हाका
41 grade.
सो हाजेर आतां तुमकां परत कोर्टान वचचें पडटलें
We
वॉट इज द
have gone-
एक्चुअल वॉट इज द
No,
एक्चुअल
now they have to go to court. आमकां
Who
वचपाक-
they?
Now the mining companies have to go to court.
नो बट दे हॅव ऑलरेडी सोल्ड इट दे हॅव ऑलरेडी एक्सपोर्टेड इट
थोडे थोडे अजूनही चलता वी हॅव गॉन माइन डंपिंग by mine dump.
Yeah.
We have had to work on each one to find out how much there is and what you are doing, and
Yes.
we have shown that there is a mine dump which was recorded as a dump in the regional plan. It is recorded in all your records. Still you are calling it e-auction door. In the
Yes.
case of Pisurle, there is a dump which is not on the lease at all. There is no mining on the lease, but there is a dump which is created, and you are saying amche asa, but we are going to sell it. So
Yes,
they are violating the Supreme Court order, and there are orders of the Mines Department. Dumps sak hath laung jaina. There is an opinion of the Advocate General. You cannot do the dumps. Tari how they are doing it.
Yeah.
So
No, this
every
is
time we have to get an order.
And this is
So
something
it's a
very
it's a serious
Lease by lease we are getting an order.
It's a
Yes.
constitutional breakdown of law and order.
Exactly.
That if the 3 principal functionaries of the Goa government
Yeah.
continue to violate the Supreme Court's orders like this, something should be done to them.
yes
This is not permissible.
very
What
serious.
has taken place in the last 2 years after the Supreme Court said close everything by 31st of January
Yes.
2021. Now we are in 22
Exactly.
in
More
May,
than 1 year.
and still you are allowing transportation
And more than
all
that-
bogus transportation.
Yes.
And people not only that getting kickback in the form of 250 rupees, which they are due because you put it under e-auction.
yes
It is unbelievable what has happened in the
so
state.
more